Guarantee schemes in Karnataka are under strain. The BJP claims that Siddaramaiah government has not released funds for Gruha Lakshmi and Bhagya schemes that give direct cash to women and free rice to poor households for last 3 months.
See, people of Karnataka are telling that since 6 months they have not getting any guarantees. But in the budget, Siddaramaiah has kept 52,000 crore. Where this money has gone? This is the question.
Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, on the other hand, claims that he is not aware of payments being pending for 3 months.
ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪಾವತಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? 5 ತಿಂಗಳು 3 ತಿಂಗಳದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ? 5 ತಿಂಗಳು 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದು. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೂಡಲೇ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar has dismissed allegations of any fund crunch.
3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಗೃಹಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅನ್ನಭಾಗ್ಯದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ಮಾತಂತೆ ನಿಲ್ತೀವಿ.
From 15% hikes in state-run bus fares to 3 rupees hike in petrol and diesel rates to hike in milk rates, prices have increased under the Siddaramaiah government this year. This has led to charges that the state government is hiking prices to find funds for its guarantee schemes.
From last 5 months, as far as I know, the ration, in lieu of the ration, whatever they used to reimburse to the people at large, that is not being done. That is number one. Number two, even Bhagya Lakshmi, it is not being released from last 3-4 months. And it has become, government as a whole, it has become pauper.
Many experts say the struggle for funds in states like Karnataka is a reminder that freebies come at a cost and can impact other development projects.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.